Wow, that all went out. Just had a bump. The bottom maybe? Could be hitting the bottom. I see the bottom. Stick? What is this? Fish, maybe? I might have a fish. Yeah, that's a fish. Okay. You want to anchor up?
Anchor right here?
Yeah, it's gonna go down a ways, but I think, I don't know. It's a bass. Huh? Should be. Let's see. Huh, I would not have expected a smallie here. Yeah, my hand's no gross. Smallmouth. Little ones. That might be a trout. Nope, another smallmouth. There it comes. Well, maybe the trout are up in the colder water. I don't know. The surface water doesn't feel very cold. I remember last time touching the water in this area, it felt way colder. Clearly, I mean, it was during runoff too. Okay, I'm in the water. You can kind of see to the right. Can you see that drop off? Like on the opposite bank, maybe 50 feet from us. That might be a good spot to get into. I'm gonna shoot. Got another smallie, I think. Maybe a smidge better. Yeah. Get an underwater this one. Oh yeah, it's a decent one.
Yeah.
I mean, nothing huge, but got one. Nice. No, just an itty bitty smallmouth. Congrats. Well, you've caught smallmouth before. I was gonna say your first one, but.
Oh, why are you gonna be so feisty?
On the leech.
Right.
For what? Dropping it like it's hot.
Let's get him in there.
You liked it. Nice. Just let it sink. You got the midge tip, right? Oh yeah. Huh. They all seem to want to eat right here at the end. When we get tired of this, let's move up closer to the creek. I bet we'll find trout. Is that your fly?
Yeah.
The thing about, there we go, got him on the third hit. If you do the strip set, it keeps the fly in the zone. Come on, come off, buddy. He's tiny. He's just little. This one's light colored. Really pretty. He's got like stripes on his face. I guess we need to start bringing the dry fly rod. That would be fun. Ooh. Spinning the boat around. I think I'm on the bottom. I think whatever I got's moving. Got a nice stick bass. Oh yeah, look at the size of that one. It's like 12 inches. We found a bunch of smallmouth. We know there's trout in here, but they're obviously in the deeper, colder water in the middle of the lake. So we've got the fast sink line on, the 5.7 inch per second line, and we're just gonna let it hang, go all the way down. Oop. Something. Maybe the bottom? I don't know how deep this water is. We're way out in the middle of the lake. Something happened right there. Yeah, that is a coyote. Sounds like it's in camp, huh? Just trying to keep it somewhat tight, but not too tight. And we're drifting a little bit, so I kind of have to keep pointing at where the flies are. So I'm letting a little line. Oop. Oop. Something's down there, I think. Don't know what I'm feeling. Sounds like it's right there. Oh, nope. Little fish. What could it be? It's not huge, but it's a fish. What we want to know, is it a trout? It's acting like a trout. That was a trout.
Ah, dang it, it was a rainbow.
It was a little rainbow. All right. There might be a hatch. I was just saying that it may not be super deep. Got yourself a trout?
No.
What?
I don't think so. Hey, come on. You like that? You gonna net him for me?
Sure.
I'll try to swim under the boat. It's a bass.
Yeah, it's a bass. Like the teeth. It kind of sticks to your thumb. Everybody, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. It's something a little bit different. It's my first video out of the boat, but it's not my first time fishing out of the boat. I've done a bunch of trips, and it's been really frustrating getting some videos shot on there. There's a bit of a learning curve with both the filming and the fishing, but this was just a chill day out on the lake. If you want to go a little bit deeper, there's a whole companion video called the Fishing Recap where I talk about the fishing, the lines, the flies, all the tactics, all kinds of fun little details if you want to go a little bit deeper. Again, that's available to channel members. And that's something I've changed up with that. I've made this content available to all the channel levels. So if you want to be a subscriber, any value, all the content's available to everybody. It just depends on what level of support you want to provide. And so basically everybody gets the same thing. If some of the higher tiers, they do offer a discount in the fly shop, but otherwise everybody gets the same deal. And if you want, I'm also going to mirror all the YouTube memberships over on Patreon. And the big advantage with that is all the videos are going to be available there completely ad-free. So if you already have a Patreon account and you want to support me there, you can go check it out. And that link is obviously going to be down in the description. So thanks everybody for watching. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comments. And until next time, everybody, I'll see you on the water. Godspeed. Because it doesn't want to crash. So